Not installation. Ah! No. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And this is the new series I'm going to make, Hexis Wars. So, I don't know what about this game yet, so this is my first time playing it, and let's embark on an adventure again. Oh, 2 stories. Cecilia Armaclite, Blastus the Great. Okay, she's a priestess or something. A teenage girl who served as a cleric, alright? A cleric at the Great Temple of Palfina, board of the daily repetition. Cecilia skips her daily prayers and heads for the garden. Hers is a tale of conflict and a girl's coming of age. Oh, okay. So, let's play with her for now. All I had to the holy vessel, and I remain alone. She's a cleric now. A long time ago, Norvia, goddess of creation, descended upon Burge with the holy vessel in hand. Norvia brought order and life to the chaos of ancient Burge. To protect her gifts to the world, Norvia formed the divinities Palfina, Argent, and Ilnada, Eliet, Elge, Rivelias, and Verse, Dualis, Grepes, Lu, and Scroll, Dauro, Corneo, Terial, and Draglos. The people enjoyed an age of peace and tranquility, if only it had lasted. Life incurred the wrath of the gods. My beloved friends returned to the holy vessel, their power broken by the gods' remorse. All living things perished. Like candles snuffed out in the dead of night, everyone was gone. Judgment had been passed, and Burge fell back into chaos. I was alone. I watched Burge for a long time, until even I fell into a deep slumber. Still more time passed, and the flow of force in the holy vessel began anew. The force of the divinities came to rest within the people as they awaited the hour of their awakening. Force passed down through the generations. In time, his return to Burge as its own story became legend. Yet, deep in the unknown, his heart beats faintly yet steadily, growing louder with each pulse. The appointed time that all have forgotten draws near. Yes, the hour of judgment. Okay. Palfina of the harvest. The pillar of pearl light, the divinity who shall pass judgment upon Burge. I'm overjoyed to see you again. This one, the maiden of the holy staff. Alright.
変な格好。誰かしら。どうせお祈りなんてしたって何も変わりはしないって。おいおい、神官の言葉とは思えねえな。文句があるならお日様に言いなさいよ。こんないい陽気なら誰だって。あれなんで。ちょっと何が起きてるのよ。
Cecily. Alright. Hey, you're hurt pretty bad. What happened? Oh, how terrible. Who did this? There's someone in the main hall? What's happening? Who are you, blasphemer? How dare you defile this temple? I am Virtus, descendant of the noble Black Dragon ruler Burge. Are you the leader here? Yes, that's right. Virtus, did you say what are you doing? Why are you doing this? First, tell me where is the monolith? Monolith? What do you intend to do with it? That's none of your concern. If you want answer, I'll do whatever it takes to find it, even if it means killing every living thing in this land. What? Unforgivable. Heavenly human, you think you can stand up to me? How foolish. See? Crushing you pitiful creatures would be too easy. But if I did, I would not be able to complete my mission. Now, I will ask you one more time. Where is the monolith? Sister Elda. Who are you? How foolish of you to come in here. But I must commend your time. I shall ask you as well. Where is the monolith? It is a divine stone infused with the power of origin. Force. I am certain that it is here. If you do not answer me immediately, you will be making your way back to the holy vessel, and the rest of your race will be following soon behind. Wait. She's just a regular cleric. She doesn't know anything. It's useless trying to get anything out of her. Well, if she does not know anything, then I have no use for her. I will just kill her. What? What's his problem? Oh, Cecilia ran. Oh, 5% left. Did you really think you could escape that easily? What? No. Fina, X, Cis, Divi, Inhale, X, Palfi. Huh? What? Who's there? Oh, almost dead. What? Where am I? Those guys. What's that? Wonder what it. Yeah. What is this? Huh? What? What's going on? And where am I? Can you hear my voice? Oh, it's that voice I just heard. Who are you? You're the one who saved me, right? My name is Norvia. I am the wielder of the holy vessel, ruling over creation and destruction. I am the mother of all life. You, Hexis, child who inherited the force of Palfina, the divine pillar of pearl light. The hour of judgment for birds draws near. It is the time of destiny decided by the holy vessel. Eh, Now you must choose a future for yourselves. Do you want do you want creation giving birth to force, or do you want destruction returning force to the holy vessel? According to the ancient laws, you must find the hero of the sword and brave of the spear. Together you shall travel to the Holy Land. Wait, what do you mean? The hour of judgment, the Holy Land? What are you talking about? The holy vessel is tilting towards destruction. Those who desire destruction are already taking action. If this continues, Burge will be judged as destructive, and the sealed one shall awaken to return Burge to chaos. If you wish for a future of creation, then stop those who seek destruction. This is the only way to save Burge. What is this? It's not a dream, is it? Alright. I bestow upon you the holy staff of Riafalt. It is the pearl-like staff that Palfina herself once wielded. Huh? What's a holy staff? What is this? What's this? It feels strange. I'm sorry for the noise outside. When people are talking here are so loud, so I'm going to talk a lot and getting near to the mic for now. Ay, ouch! Ow, my foot. There we go. Oh, there you go. A little bit of near for this. Toink. Put an eternal vessel, Hexis who resonate, you go. Okay. Wait, what? What happened? Jeez, how? Ceci, get off of me. You're so heavy. I thought I was gonna die. Hey, why are you zoning out? Are you alright? Ralu? Huh? Nasta? That's weird. I could have sworn that I touched that altar, then got warped to some strange place. What are you talking about? You've been laying here ever since we got warped to this strange place. Oh, really? I must been dreaming. I wonder what that was all about. Maybe you're just groggy. Meanwhile, I was over here getting crushed. It was awful. Jeez. Let's just get out of here, okay? Get out of here. Where is here anyway? That's what we need to find out, dummy. Come on, let's go. Let's see. Check this out. There's something here. Okay. Okay, nothing here. Okay. Ay. Okay. Oh. Alright. I just cleaned my... Okay. That was a surprise. What the? Hey, where are we? I think I've seen this place before. Now that you mention it. Oh, I remember. It's the second basement floor of the Great Temple of Palfina. We've been here once before. A long time ago. Really? Well, I'm glad it's at least somewhat familiar. But why were we transported? Why were we transported here? Like I have any... Rollo behind you. Yeah, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're gonna run. Use the holy staff. You have inherited Palfina's force. That voice again. Who are you? What do you mean holy staff? What are you talking about? We're dead meat if we don't run. Ow! What's going on? Whoa, it's coming. Cecilia. Wait, what? Wait, I'm going to stop the recording, so I need to check if there is any, what was it? Notifications of the achievements on retro here. So wait. Okay, I'm back. I just check if there is any weird bugs on the achievement thingy. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yung baton. Release force. There you go. Killed. Alright. Wow. You're amazing, sis. Huh? What happened? Don't you remember? You pulled a big stuff out of nowhere and started fighting with it. I was fighting? Yeah, it looked pretty cool. I think I remember a little. Or not? I guess you're still the same, Ceci. Come on, let's get out of here before any more monsters show up. Wait. You guys. Hey. You're that guy. What are you doing here? There are monsters everywhere. I've been wondering the same thing. Wait, what are you doing here? You're not one of them, are you? Did you summon that man and those demons? What are you talking about? That's impossible. I just came to look for someone. Behind you. Stand back, I'll handle this. But hey, there are two of them this time. Do you think he can take both of them? Alright, I'll help him. Anything to increase our chance of survival. That stuff. Could it be? Are you a Hexis? Are you the maiden of the staff? Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, I get it now. That's why we are in this place. Come on, let's fight together. My name is Raphael Gemini. Just like you, I've inherited the force of of the divinities I'm a hexis. What? Hey! I don't know what's going on, but I think you've got the wrong person. We'll talk after we defeat them. Let's go. Again? Okay. Holy shit. Oh my god. Whoa. Ano yan, bebe? What is it, bebe? Babe. Oh. Alright. Defeat. Yeah, why is this happening? I've got some serious explaining to do. What are those things? Shh, be quiet. Wait. I sense a really strong force. It's from someone really powerful. Someone who's controlling those monsters. Could that be the one who's attacking Sister Elda? There's supposed to be a monolith up ahead. Come to think of it, that guy was talking about monoliths and stuff. Then let's move. If we defeat him, I'm sure the monsters attacking the Great Temple will run away. Wait. He's really powerful. We shouldn't go near him. Don't worry. Everything will work out. After you're the maiden of the stock, and I've had lots of training myself. Well, what a stupid. And off he goes. I think we've got a big misunderstanding. Shh. Guys like that always die. So what are we gonna do? Says you wanna just run away. We can't just leave him alone here. Let's just go after him. Yeah, okay, I hope you know what you're doing. Oh. Okay, nice save point. Thank you. Oh, it's already. I knew it. He was the one in the main hall. I guess he's alone. I thought he'd have a thousand minions. Is that Aragna fuck? No way. Why would the hexes do this? Hey, he's not gonna break the monolith, is he? No, I won't let you. Do not interrupt me, human trash. Okay, you've destroyed the monolith. No! I cannot believe that he would give me a mission such as this. What are you doing? Monoliths keep the world in order and you just destroyed it. Do not bark at me, scum. That foolish beliefs of an inferior race mean nothing to me. Wow! What a coward! Wow, what is this thing? Farewell. May your death be painful. What a coward! Hey, this thing's dangerous. Running away might be smart thing to do. But yeah, let's run. Yeah, we need to find a way to escape. What are you talking about? If we didn't stop it, then everyone in the Great Temple will be in danger. Then what are we going to do? We have to defeat it ourselves. Come on. What a coward ang putik. I mean,
全力で行こう
okay.
修行の成果を見せてやるブローカン
Okay.
だいて
Okay. 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 There you go. Boing. Okay.
楽勝だ
Dead. Killed it.
よっしゃ
Level 4. Nice. Rugby shell. Phew. I'm glad that worked out. Haha, yeah. You guys were pretty awesome. Don't start celebrating it. We still gotta rid of the rest of the monsters. There are more monsters left. We can hurry back up and save everyone in the temple. You're right. I'm a little scared, but we have to do this. That's the spirit. Look, well, work together as a team. What's her name? Cecilia Armalclay. And my name's Ralu. Nice to meet you both. Now that we're acquainted, let's go. Wait, what? Let's check if there is any stupid. There's some stupid thingies. Okay. There's some stupid thingies here. Okay. Okay, I knew it. One poison ring. What the hell? A ring that provides toxic resistance. Thank you very much for that. Okay, let's use the D-pad far more better. I know it's 3D, but I'm more used to the D-pad thingy. Yikes, another one already. It's alright, it's just a small fry. Let's take care of them quickly and keep moving. Okay.
何よこいつ
Some skill attacks and enemy strikes can cause changes in your condition. Some effects make you stronger while others affect. Okay, yeah. Okay. Dead. Lovely. Let's use this guy. There you go. Okay. Hey, I'm back. Okay. Defeat.
力が湧いてくる
Level 5 immediately. Ay, broken idol and a broken me. Ah, jeez. I'm so unlucky. Why is this happening to me? Calm down, Ceci. Oh, and by the way, you seem to be fighting better than before. What do you mean? Just wondering about something? You don't seem very experienced fighter. Of course I'm not. Of course I'm not. I barely figured out how to use that stuff. Considering that you're doing pretty well with it. I don't even know what's going on with me. I'm not ready to compliments yet. Wait, you've only just awakened? But in the legends is in the Maiden of the Snap, the one who clears the darkness. Who is this Maiden of Stop you keep talking about anyway? You're not making sense. But the stop you have is definitely the holy stop. Ria fault. Hey, this is no time to stand around thinking. Oops, sorry. Let's get going then. Lag na fuck. Ew. Ew. Okay. There we go. Let's move. Wait, what? What if we... no. We will cross that lane later. Okay, there's some okay, there's something there.
Yosh, ganbaro!
Preemptive, nice. Angelic Beam.
後悔しても遅いんだからねエンジェル
Okay. Nice. Bam.
楽勝だ
Died. They are dead. Let's explore for now, and we need to check something out for now here. In this dungeon. Excuse me. I just ate a little while ago, so I'm doing. Okay, that stupid me. I hope you are awake. There you go. There. Okay. Again. Enough. Alright. Davis Nectar. Firing for this guy. Alright. Oh, I can cross. Okay. Alright. We need to cross there. Here it is. Vantage orb. Okay. Taken by surprise. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's always got. Oh lord. Bam. Oh man, this guy is going to die. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. Level 6. Okay, I think we can. Oh, okay. Let's go back to this one. What should we build? Just the build we need to do for this game. But I like the Souls-like building. But for now, let's save some of it. For the future, if we are going to fight something strong. Okay, let's go for now and escape in this labyrinth. Okay. I hope they can scream. Okay, there we go. Dead already. Okay, kill it. Dead. There we go. Devil grass. Alright. Okay. Oh. Wait, what? What is that? What did I just saw? There you go. Taken by surprise. Okay, nice. Preemptive attack. Alright, bam. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Okay. What are you guys doing? It's dangerous in here. Who are you? A cleric of this temple. Who do you think? I'm looking for people who are still in here and I'm evacuating them to the dorms. You guys need to come with me. Don't worry about us. Are the others safe? Don't worry about you. Don't be ridiculous. Will you just listen to me for a second? What about you? Don't you have to evacuate? No, I'm standing to watch to make sure demons don't get in. I have some expertise in dealing with spirit fox after all. The combat trained clerics are all fighting monsters right now. What about Sister Elda? Do you know where she is? Sister Elda? Sorry, I don't know. I do hope she's alright. Why do you ask? Sister Elda was in the main hall. Suddenly, that man in black attacked, and I was transported away by a strange light. Man in black, strange light. What I mean is, I don't know how to explain it. All I know is that Sister Elda might be in danger. The main hall's one floor above us. Let's go check on her. Hey, what are you doing? It's dangerous to wander off. Stay here until things calm down. Well, we're alright though. Even though we don't look like it, we're actually hexes. And we've got Ragnafax so we can fight those monsters. What? You guys are hexes? Let's go. Ah man, this guy never listen, huh? Typical on a JRPG game, man. Says these are the dorms. We're supposed to be looking for Sister Elda. Oh yeah, forgot. Oppa! There you go. Dead. There you go. There you go. AoE attack. There. Dead. Oh, okay. Okay, by smoke. Okay, sharp fangs, devil grass. Obtain one cloth bandana for this guy. Body, right? No, not cloth bandana. Okay. There we go again. Okay. Smack. Okay. Broken idol. Oh shit, nope. Okay. Okay. Okay, for that. Route. Okay. Dead. Okay, nice. We leveled up as well. Ragnarok, please. Ah, okay. Alright. Okay. For now, what is this? Foresights. Oh, okay. There is a foresight here, swirling with ominous force. Purified. Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Follow me. The hell. 96%. Life flows forth and surrounds the party. HPRP have been completely restored. Contain Stardust. Okay. Okay, let's check here. Boom. Taken by surprise. Okay, nice. Alright, fairy rings. We need that. And explore the area again. Aqua orb. What was that? Ow. Infuse. Ah, okay. Okay. What? What the hell? A cool orb that can be used to hit one foe. Oh, wait, what? Infused with healing force, try to hit the target. Okay, nope. You are not going to do. Oh, okay, but we need to equip it for this guy. Okay, nice. Okay. We need to go. Okay. Dead. Okay. Life orb. Another one of this. Okay, let's use let's grind more, then level it up to light flows. Okay, yeah, okay, there you go. First floor. Oh wait, what? Okay, I thought. Oh moon. Oh man, almost got almost bite the dust there. Yeah. Oh. It almost. Okay. There we go. Dead. Okay, Devil's Grass. Alright. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, almost. Oh my god, no. Okay, not okay, preemptive. Okay, nice. Okay.
力が湧いてくる。
Okay. I think we should... Okay. Okay. There we go.
よーし、勝ったぞ。
Majin's cloth, okay. I think there is crafting here. Yeah. This is crafting, I think. Oh. Crafting or I think not. Uy, sanity fire. Nice. Nice. Shouldn't you be worried about Stella? Let's go to the main hall. Oh. Okay, almost got stone there. Ow. Okay, I have it now. Ordinary attack, alright. We circumvent it. Bam. Sharp found. Okay. Bandage orb. Right. Okay, I will go there later. After I rescued her. I think we should go. Main hall here. Alright, this is the main hall. Ay, shut up. Okay. How? Okay. Yeah. Broken idol again. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay. There we go. Bam. Oh. There we go. Bam. Majin's cloth again. Red lapis, okay. Preemptive, yep. Okay, nice.
よーし勝ったぞ
Okay, save. Everything here. Sister Elda, are you okay? Cecilia, oh, I'm so glad you're safe. And is that you, Rafael? It's been a while, Sister Elda. We're here to save you. This force, it feels the same as the one who destroyed the monolith. Is this guy the monster's leader? Out of you run, I'll stop them even if it costs my life. It's alright, Sister Elda, we'll handle this. Come on, Cecilia, let's end it now, right now. If this become a daily routine, I'm not gonna live much longer.
何をこいつ
Okay, shit. He is not allowed. Ow. Okay, blasphemy.
この技を受けてみろ
Okay.
ブローハン
Another one. Angelic Beam.
私の力見せてあげる、エンジェルバレッ
Nice. There.
ト
Get it. Okay. Beta. Alright. Alright, we won. Good job, Cecilia. I'm so exhausted. I'm glad to see you both safe and sound. And from seeing you fight together, I assume that you've already been introduced. It's been a long time, Rafael. It was 40 years that you arrived when you did. Or I might be on my way back to the Holy Vessel. You have my deepest gratitude. I'm just glad that you're safe, Sister Elda. I came here because Master told me to. My sister Luffy had a premonition. She felt like something bad was gonna happen to the Great Temple, so Master sent me here. I see. Then I must thank Lufina and Master Gardner also. And Cecilia, many thanks to you as well. There's one more thing. The staff that you were using is indeed the holy staff Riafalt. I must confess my surprise that you turned out to be the maiden of the staff. Where did you get that stuff? Wait a minute, you can be serious, right, Sister Elda? I'm not whoever you think I am. And the stuff, I have no idea what happened with that. Suddenly, I was just able to use it. You are truly the maiden of the staff. The way you fought, there's no doubt in my mind. Divine weapons Ragnafox can only be used by hexes like us. The simple fact that you are able to use the holy staff proves that you are the maiden of the staff. When I saw the sky filled with darkness, I thought the prophesied hour of judgment was upon us. Then the maiden of the staff appeared. Light returned to the heavens, but the hour of judgment is still approaching. But I don't understand this holy stuff. I don't even know why I'm able to do anything with it. Sister Elda, you're safe. We've finished evacuating the worshippers. As for the remaining monsters, oh, Ceci, what's that stuff? Huh? Well, it's It's nothing. Ahahaha. Whoa, did the stuff just disappear? Ceci, what was that? Explain yourself. That's enough. Please be quiet. Thank you for coming here. I'm glad that everyone is safe. Now, can you please give me a report on the condition of the temple's interior? Of course, I apologize. The monsters that attacked the Great Temple just disappeared. It was all very sudden. We're currently searching for any monsters that might still be left. We are also taking care of the elderly who could not evacuate. Understood. Please go and continue to assist them. Also, I want a few of you to stay in the main hall to help the people here. Yes, Sister Elda, as you wish. Now, Cecilia, I have something to tell you which is of the utmost importance. Raphael, please come with us as well. There you go. Oh, nice. The achievement. What? How could this be? The monolith destroyed. Why it's such a big deal? That this thing is broken. What? You don't know? Come on, Cecil, you're a cleric of this temple. How can you not know that? Jeez. If I don't know, I don't know. Cut me some slack. Cecilia, what would your mother think of that attitude? Fortes, may her force be at peace in the holy vessel. Well, fine. I shall tell you the whole story. Take a look at this mural. Historians believe that it was painted long before he written history. No one knows who painted it or for what purpose, but there is a little doubt that it depicts a scene from the creation of Berge. All the legends regarding to hexes and monoliths go back to the creation of Berge. Creation? A long time ago, Norvia, the goddess of creation, came down to Berge, and which was in a state of chaos. In her hand, Norvia holding the holy vessel. It is a Ragnarok overflowing with force, the source of all life. Norvia used the holy vessel's power to create the land, the sky, and all the living things that exist in Berge. Later, she created the 15 divinities to protect the creatures of Berge, and she bestowed divine force upon them. Palfina, whom we worship, is one of them. Using the power of the holy staff Realfald, she said to have saved the lives of many, and so Berge was watched by the divinities, ushering in a long era of peace. One day, however, Delgaia, the god of destruction, appeared. Delgaia used his devastating power to annihilate everything in his path. He could not be stopped, for he alone was more powerful than the combined powers of the divinities. The divinities, realizing that they could not defeat Delgaia, created the monoliths to seal him. The power of the monoliths banished Delgaia to the depths of Berge, where he fell into a deep sleep, which he was not awakened. This is why he is known to some as Delgaia, the Sealed One. The divinities, drained of their powers by the battle with Delgaia, also perish, but their force lives on the hexes, inheritors of the divinities' force. It is believed that when the time of Delgaia's awakening draws near, the true powers of hexes will be realized. Oh, yes. Now that both your and Raphael's powers have been awakened, that time must be near. Wow. Does that mean I've become a god? If someone like you became a god, I'd feel sorry for the ones praying. That's a mean thing to Cecilia. I have not finished speaking yet. Oh, sorry, Sister Elda. What's that? This is the Force Stone. It has been passed down through generations of your family, the Amalekites. It was a rainy day years ago. Teres was attacked at the Ravenna's castle. Despite her mortal wounds, she managed to come here and entrust me with this stone. My mom? Now, take this, stand in front of the monolith and raise it up. Receive the Force Stone from Elda. Like this. Okay. What was that? When darkness approaches Berge, the Hexis who has inherited Saint Palfina's force will appear. This Hexis must be given the Force Stone to gather the force from each of the monoliths, then go before the goddess of creation. This is the sacred duty of the Armalite family. I don't get it. What's supposed to happen? I wish I knew. If only Teres were still alive, she might have been able to explain. All I know is that this is only the beginning. If this monolith was purposely destroyed, there must be a conspiracy afoot to awaken Delgaia. If that's the case, then the other monoliths are also in danger. Other monoliths? Are there a lot of them? Yeah. There's a similar one in Nervel, where I live. She said, Elda, I'm going back there to report to Master. He needs to know what's going on. Excellent idea, Raphael. Cecilia, you must go with him to see Master Gardner. Gardner is a Force scholar with vast knowledge in numerous subjects. He will surely be of great help to you. Wait. You can just decide things just like that. I barely left that temple since I was brought here. I don't wanna be in any more scary situations, and I understand how you feel, but you do not have much choice. Since you are the maiden of the staff, you have the responsibility to protect Berge. You are the only one who can do this. Protect Berge. But why me? There has to be someone there's to be better for this job. Cecilia, I know. Are you being serious when you say that? Okay. Well, normal people, I guess. Well, yeah, of course I'm serious. Anyone else in my position would be worried and confused too. You are right, but the world cannot wait for you to be ready, Cecilia. By then, it will be too late. Therefore, as head cleric of the great temple of Palfina, I hereby order you to go. Cecilia Armalite, I release you from your duties as a cleric. What? And I leave you with a new order. You must find out what is happening to Berge and destroy anything that threatens it. You must fulfill your duties as the maiden of the staff and go before the goddess of creation with the Force Stone in hand. But now that you have been awakened as a Hexis, there are things that you must do, even if you do not want to. The moment you became the maiden of the staff, the Cecilia you and I once knew was no more. This is bigger than you or not. But why? Why me? You're asking for the impossible. I can't do it. It's impossible. Cecilia, did you listen to what I just said? I gave you an order as the head cleric. You don't know what that means, right? That's... Yes. Yes, I do. But, good. Prepare for your departure then. Take the Force Stone and go to Nervel with Raphael. Yes, Sister Elda. Well. And so, my journey to the monoliths began. I had no idea what being the maiden of the staff truly meant. That's it, I guess. Mom, weird things are happening. I don't know if I'm going to be able to come back here again, or even if I'm going to be gonna be okay. I thought I'd find you here. Oh, Ralu. What do you mean? Whenever something bad happens, you always come here to get away from it all. I figured that would be the case again today. Oh, be quiet. Let me visit the departed in peace. Even when you ditch services every day? Hmm. Do you have something to say, or did you just come here to annoy me? Alright. Today's the day you're leaving, right? Alda and Rafael told us to meet them in the main hall. They're waiting for us. So I guess I really do have to go. I'll give it a rest. I'm actually excited. I bet we'll see a lot of interesting things on the outside. I wish I had your optimism. How did this happen to me? I'm so unlucky. Stop your whining and let's get moving. For now, let's save. I think we need to go to the underground again. Wait. So you're all prepared now? Alright. I've got most of my stuff together, but it's still in my room. It'd be a hassle going to the dorms later, so let's just take care of it now. I can't believe this happened to the Great Temple. Fortunately, the temple rivalry is okay. Other areas didn't fare so well. Later. Let's go down. Services are held twice a day at the Great Temple of Alfina. Oh, it's you, Ceci. You really should come to services more often. I've never seen so many monsters in my life. I'm so relieved that there weren't any casualties. Oh, that will be bad. Where should I go? Hey, Justin, you shook me. Okay, but where should I go? Let's look for a way. Okay, let's go for. Let's check some of the pathways that we can go to for that thing. Shh! Justin! Shut up, baby. Shh! Baby! Shh! Alright. Oh, okay. On the secret something. Okay, let's try going in the catacombs and find the secret way there and go there. Okay. I hope we can find something there. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the catacombs. I want to get that thing. I will not go there. Oh, no. Wrong way. Let's go here. Catacombs. Okay, you're not allowed. Okay. Oh, okay. Not allowed. But where is that way though? Ah. Okay, let's go to the dorms for now. Tin, quiet. Sorry about that. My dog is very noisy. She's very loud right now. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Alright. The quarters. Oh. This is the core pack bag. Wow, you've got less stuff than I thought. Yeah, I wasn't sure what to bring, so I decided to pack light. Oh, I almost forgot. Either way, your desk is really messy. It's okay though. I know exactly where everything is. Oh, here it is. See? What's that? It's like a charm, I guess. When my mom became full-time cleric and got stationed at Ravana Castle, she left it behind. Really, it's got an unusual shape, but it's pretty. I didn't know you had anything like that. Well, it was before I met you, so that's why. It's really important to me though. Well, I'm done packing now. We should probably go to the main hall now. Even though I'm feeling kinda reluctant. Morning prayers, hymn practice, prepare meals, clean, memorize prayers, prepare meals. I want to play. Oh, wait, what? What was that purpose? I'm sad that you're leaving, says he. Before, no one ever noticed I was lucky because everybody was focused on you. Here, take this and think of me. Oh, nice cleric hat. Cecilia was forced to take the cleric hat. It smells sweaty. Head. Noise. The books here belong to all the citizens of Sanctuaria. Please handle them with the utmost care. I will not. Thank you, Proclaims. Okay. What was that though? Weird. Wandering around. The great temple of Palfina is so big. When you get old like me, you get lost very easily. Hey grandma, you're all lost again. They want me to take you to the entrance. Why thank you, like young lady, but don't worry about me. I've been getting lost in here for 50 years. Ew. There's sound of rushing water. Oh! Two elemental wheels. Okay. Let's get down. That's a puzzle. Alright. Let's go down in the... Let's get down here. I heard something. Oh, I knew it. Huh. Okay. No, nothing. That was stupid. Hmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Nice. Hmm. Okay. See. Nothing here. Alright. Let's go. I need to get that thing. Wait, let's check it here. Okay, nothing here. Alright, let's check the other way. I'm sure there's something we need to activate here. Okay, we should go to the main hall and find the switch. Okay, let's wait. Okay. I know there's something we need to do there. Hmm. Hmm. I think we need to go here. Nothing here. Okay. Goodbye, mother. La 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 la, my voice is amazing today as usual. La 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 la. Wow, you're so energetic. Maybe you can share some with me. Is that's the rumor. Why the long face? Aren't you in good cheer? Not at all. Oh dear, what a tragedy. Oh, I know. I'll sing you a song to cheer you up. Do something like this. Nice. Hey, I know that song. It's the guiding song, right? That's right. I'm surprised that you know it. You're pretty sharp. You just really show it. La 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 la. I heard it a lot when I was little. That's why I know it. Your musical knowledge leaves me impressed that a song so obscure can hold your interest. She sings while she talks. That's some impressive multitasking. Oh. Gates to the temporary open. Welcoming citizens of Sanctuary. Peaceful place rest. That's go. That goes for you too. Back when you ever you need a break from your travels. Okay, thanks. Oh. Oh my god. Well, what the hell? Oh wait, what? Holy peak. Oh, okay. What the hell is that though? Oh yo, wow. Just now everyone doing nothing but water crash up. Wonder how you do it. Oh man. So Lou, I thought I never see it again. When that night came, nothing's happened since then. I guess it's St. Palpin as well. Yeah. We have nothing to worry about as long as we have her protection. Okay. Okay. My grandma's so late, I'm getting worried. Is anything the matter? Yeah. Grandma's gone to worship in the hall. My grandma went towards the sanctuary, saying she'll come back soon, but she hasn't. I wish I could go look for her, but if we pass each other unknowingly, we're both going to get lost. I'm pretty sure she's okay. But I'm a little bit worried. Really? Thank you. I'll be waiting here. If you see my grandma, could you bring her here? Okay, another little side quest. Okay, let's go. Why, says he. I heard there was trouble at the Great Temple. Was there a problem with monsters? What happened? Well, wait a second. I really don't know anything. I asked the clerics, but they wouldn't tell me anything in detail. They just kept saying we've got under control. That's right, but you'll tell us what says here. I mean, you are known as the serious cleric in the history of modern civilization. Actually, I can't tell you anything either. Hey, I'm not the most person, but having those ladies say it to me is just insulting. I can't. Where is your grandmother? You're working so hard, Ceci. I'm rooting for you. Not really, to be honest. I can't believe this happened to the great temple opportunity. The temple rivalry is okay. Other areas didn't fare well so well. Okay. Okay. Maybe this is where her grandma was. Where is she though? Okay, wandering around again. Excuse me, Grandma, don't you have a girl waiting for you outside the temple? Oh, you know her? She's so beautiful and reliable. She'll be really pretty when she's grown. Yeah, but haven't you been keeping her waiting for a while now? She seems to be a bit frustrated because of it. I'll show you how. Why don't we go? Why, thank you for your kindness, lady. I go with you then. Ask Grandma is now accompanying you. Okay. Hello, Tintin. Hello, Tintin. Wait. Oh. Okay, where is the girl? I can't believe you're the maiden of the stuff. I'm really worried we might as well kiss this world goodbye. Hey, who do you think defeated all the monsters running around the temple, huh? No, I know exactly who it. Even if I'm having trouble accepting that she's a Hexis. I know, right? If it were Sistel, I'd understand, but Ceci, I can stop worrying. What's wrong with you two? That is burning passion to tell her or not to tell her. That is the question. So, welcome to life, I guess, dude. Thanks for waiting, I brought her. Huh? Well. Hey, Ceci, I think that grandma disappeared somewhere. What? How? Was I walking that fast? Oh, my grandma loves getting lost. And she can't help it. So when you look away for a second, she's gone. Maybe she has a strange hub. Oh well, I'll go look for her again. So just wait a little bit again. So, okay, thanks. Holy. Oh, where's the... I'm going back there again. Wait. Where is she now? For now, let's go here again. Already. I hope she's here again. Yo, oh yep. Hey Grandpa, what are you doing? You can go running off like that. Oh dear, I didn't mean to run off. We find you are separated from you. It's hard being old. Well, yeah, well, okay. Try to stay close this time. Oh Lord. Okay, let's go straight to the kid. Then let's save to end the episode. Okay. Hello, Pepe. Okay. Hey, I brought her. Grandma, you're so late. Said you'd be back soon. Oh, please. I wasn't that late, was I? I mean, I've always loved pretending to be lost inside of the great temple. I told you to stop it with your weird hobbies, man. Whatever. Thanks a lot, miss. This isn't much, but it's my appreciation. We make it at home. Mistletoe. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Okay. This is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching, and the usual 10. Bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do